Welcome to Huawei Cloud API Gateway. This video will show you how to create a request throttling policy for an API. Before creating a request throttling policy, you must have created an API and published it in one or more environments. The general procedure includes 3 steps. 1. Create a request throttling policy. 2. Bind the request throttling policy to the API. 3. Set an override app for the request throttling policy. Now, let's get started. Click Create Request Throttling Policy. Enter a policy name. Set the throttling period. The maximum number of times an API can be called during the period. The maximum number of times the API can be called by a user during the period. The maximum number of times the API can be called by an app during the period. And the maximum number of times the API can be called by an IP address during the period. Enter a description and click OK. After creating the request throttling policy, you can bind it to published APIs. Select one or more APIs and click Add. If you want to implement special request throttling on an app, you can set an override app. Click the Request Throttling Policy. Click the Override Apps tab. Click Add Override App. Select an app and set a threshold.